Before launching any Google Ads campaign, it's important to determine your objectives and overall Google Ads campaign strategy. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve with this campaign? What am I trying to accomplish? What strategies will work best in achieving my goals? Once you have answered these questions, you can better identify the tactics needed to reach your goals. Once you have an understanding of your goals and objectives, you can begin to allocate appropriate budget to reach them. Consider both long-term and short-term budget goals. Aim to cover the cost of labor, the costs associated with content production, and any other expenses linked to the campaign. With a clear vision and budget, you can develop a plan for success. When running a Google Ads campaign, you have a variety of ad formats available to you. Choose ad types that will most effectively support your campaign goals. This could range from standard text and image ads to video, mobile, and dynamic ads. Research the different ad formats available to you and select the ones that are most cost-efficient and will best reach your target audience.
When setting up your Google Ads campaign, think carefully about the keywords you want to target. Research topics, phrases, and terms that correlate with your offering, then use keyword tools to find the best keywords to use in your campaigns. Your goal should be to create highly targeted ads that reach your desired audience.
Finalize your Google Ads campaigns by analyzing the performance of your ads. Identify what is working and what isn't, then make adjustments accordingly. Monitor the progress of your campaigns and regularly revise your strategies to ensure that your campaigns remain efficient and effective. Use the data to inform future campaigns and continually optimize to drive better results.